Good afternoon, students. 11th Accountancy. Last class we all studied 11th standard Accountancy, Ledger Account, Journal and Ledger Account. Journal and Ledger Account is this class, end of the class. This recorder class is over for 11th Accountancy, Ledger Account. So many sums I explained. Again one time some new students you entering in 11th standard. I explain again one time. Just small hints everybody. You note it down. First you mean journal and ledger. Journal means, listen some new students. Journal and ledger means, journal means you write only in accountancy note, you write only in single page. Do not open in double page, you do not write, students. You write page number 1 means you write page number 1 only you write. But ledger account means page number 2 and 3, 4 and 5. That double page you write, the center only you write ledger account. One side is DR, one side is CR. Journal entry means you write date, particular, LF, debit and credit. Journal means you write day, one side is date, particular, LF, day, amount. Next one, this side, date, particulars, LF, amount. That is ledger account. Listen students, everybody. Journal means you write single page. Ledger means you write double page. What do you mean by journal and ledger? Journal is a primary entry. Journal is a primary entry, but ledger is a main book of account. Is particular subheading. Cash book, sales book, purchase books, some RAMU account, SOMU account. Each separate head in header. That is ledger account. Ledger account. Ledger means spell LEDGER, ledger. Next one, the recording entries is first stage. Journal entry is a primary entry, is first stage in accounts. Journal entry in first stage, but ledger is a second stage of accounts. Next one, the entries is a so many entries you write. How much of goods purchased, how much sales. That is called journalizing. But the entries you divided in sales separate, cash is separate, some sales return is separate, some purchase is some return, separate head you use means that is posting. That is posting. The journal is the final position of particular account cannot be found, but the final position of accounting to gather a particular stage. Okay, listen students, journal and ledger is very easy. Today I explain in only one sum. So many sums I explained. Last this was this sum. Okay. Post journal entry for the following transaction, the post them the ledger account. First you write some question is, listen students, you read 1 or 2 times. Some question you ledger account, you particular head only you write cash account or cash and sales account. That word is mentioned means you write that 2 account only you write. Do not write in full and full. Do not write in full and full ledger account. Some question post them ledger means you full and full ledger account. You write full and full. Next one, you read 1 or 2 times. You read question. Listen students, journal entry means DRCR is very important. DR means debit, CR means credit. Listen students, DR means debit, CR means credit. Okay. Cash is incoming. You read one or two times means automatically this question, cash incoming or outgoing. Which is incoming, which one is outgoing? You easy to identify means you write journal entry very easy. That easy means you read one or two or three times, you read carefully in journal questions. This is first question. Pasu started a business with cash. So many sums is first entry, this entry only. Commenced a business. Commenced business with cash means commenced means started. Investment sum business. Pasu started a business with cash means cash is incoming. Business started means automatically the cash is invested to capital. Cash account DR, capital account CR. The narration is started a business with cash. Started a business with cash. Second one is purchased furniture by paying for cash. Purchased furniture means you some amount you pay. Your cash is outgoing. You purchase one furniture means you pay 1000 rupees or 2000 rupees, you pay. Your cash is outgoing. Which one is incoming? Furniture. Furniture account DR, cash account CR. That is narration. Furniture brought for cash. Brought means purchase. Next one, purchased a machinery on credit from Arish. Purchase credit purchase only, but which one is incoming? Machine. Machine account DR, Arish account CR. Next one, date number 10, brought goods for cash. Brought means what? One question is purchase, another one question is brought. Brought means purchase. You purchase brought goods for cash. Brought goods for cash means some goods is incoming, your cash is outgoing. Purchase account DR, cash account CR. Next one, paid insurance premium. Paid insurance premium, cash is outgoing. Insurance premium account DR, cash account CR. This question, listen students, this question post them in ledger account. The sum you write. First one is cash account, but do not any word in do not mention. You generally ledger account. You write only ledger account means you write ledger account. First you write ledger account means one heading you first you write. One heading means journal entry you first you carefully watch. First one is cash account, ledger compulsory, you write cash account. Second one is Banu account, furniture account, machinery account, Harish account, insurance account. Totally 6 headings in ledger account. First one I explained, cash account. Cash account, you write first cash account. Cash account means journal entry. Listen students, first you search cash. First cash is which side, DR side or CR side? First cash, one cash, next one cash, four time cash is reflected. First one cash is which side? DR side. Listen students, which side you write? DR side. You write DR side, downward what? To Banu's capital. Downward what line you write? Banu's capital. You write this DR side, you write Banu capital only you write. Listen students, cash is upward you write mean word is your ledger account means you downward only you write. Second one, listen student, cash is DR side or CR side? CR side. Do not write CR, CR. You write only DR, means next one automatically CR. Cash is CR side, means you write CR side by furniture. Upward word by furniture. You write furniture. Next one cash is which is side? 10th date, DR side. You DR side you write by purchase. DR side you write by purchase. Next one is to cash account. To cash account means by insurance premium account. Listen students, this type of sums you do not write in balanced. You write only, you simply you write only. Do not see your total or balance figure, do not write. You write only this type of method sum you write. Okay, same next one, other 5 ledger account. Listen students carefully, you watch this video. It's very easy this lesson. The today only your ledger account class is over. Next day, tomorrow onwards, next new chapter. Listen students, you write journal means you write only in single page. Ledger means you write only, you write double page only, you use double page. Some students you write this page enough, one page only enough. No, one page you write means put wrong. Annual exam means put 0 only. Okay, okay students, next class we will discuss next one new chapter. Okay, thank you students. Do not waste your time students. You write neatly, you followed your class work. Do not waste your time everybody. You write your class work. Thank you students.